Can AI replace your therapist? Let's take a balanced view. Sure, I'm a therapist and I'm declaring that conflict right at the outset. But also, I want to say that I love AI. I see its potential and current capabilities as incredibly innovative and fascinating. It's a creative boon, but this is where it becomes about the ways we use it. If we use it to complement, then great. We can learn from it and save time. But if we misuse or overuse it, we begin to limit our effort and growth. So, with that in mind, let's see how the land might be laying when it comes to AI for mental health. We live in a time where your therapist could be an app, a chatbot, a robot with a reassuring tone. But can AI really replace a human therapist? And more importantly, should it? Today, we're looking deeper into the emotional, ethical, and psychological truths that go beyond the headlines. Now, it's easy to see the appeal of AI in mental health. It's convenient, it's 24/7, and it doesn't judge. For someone in crisis at 2 a.m., that can feel like a lifeline. And for some, it's genuinely helpful, providing structured CBT, journaling prompts, even mindfulness reminders. In fact, AI tools are already widely used to support emotional regulation, track mood, or help users build habits. And that's great until we mistake support for relationship. Because therapy isn't just about having the right words, it's about being seen, understood, held in a way that's deeply human. And that's where AI hits its ceiling. Human beings are not algorithms. We contradict ourselves. We hold trauma in our bodies. We need non-verbal cues, subtle shifts in voice, those almost imperceptible moments of silence that only another human can notice and respond to. Therapy is a relationship. It's built on trust, empathy, and attunement. A therapist isn't just hearing your words, they're holding your story, challenging you, reflecting you, witnessing your pain without flinching. No machine can replicate that. AI can simulate empathy, but it cannot feel it. It can process language, but it doesn't know what heartbreak feels like. It can remind you to do breath work, but it can't help you grieve. It won't notice the way your eyes drop when you mention your dad. The biggest risk isn't that AI exists, it's that people start to believe it's enough, especially people who are isolated, marginalized, or dealing with deep-rooted issues. If they reach out to a bot and find it helpful enough, they may never find their way to real help. There's a false economy here. Mental health is not fast food. Cheap doesn't mean better. Quick doesn't mean healing. And the illusion of connection is not the same as being truly understood. That said, AI can have a place in the therapy ecosystem, but as a tool, not a replacement. It can assist, prompt, inform, but it cannot relate, repair, or restore in the way therapy can. So, can AI replace a therapist? No, but it can support the work, like a supplement, not a substitute. Real therapy happens between two people, messy, brave, vulnerable people, and that's what makes it powerful. If you want to go deeper into the research, safety concerns, and real-world applications of AI in mental health, read the full blog on our website. It's linked below. And if you're considering therapy or wondering whether what you're feeling is worth talking about, come talk to us. We're human, and we're listening. This has been Phinity Therapy's Perspective. If this resonated, like and subscribe for more conversations that matter. And let us know in the comments what you think about AI in therapy.